Welcome to the University of Manchester's Animal Unit. I'm Rachel, one of the animal technicians here, and I'm going to be showing you around the facility. Scientific research involving animals is such an important tool that we use now to understand diseases in both humans and animals. The UK has some of the toughest legal protections in place for animals used in research in the world. All the sheep in here get fed twice a day. First thing in the morning when we give them a health check, make sure everyone's doing okay. We give them lots of food, very much love sheep nuts. They get fresh water in the morning, gets topped up in the evening, and then twice a week they get enrichment in the form of sheep nuts in sheep nut balls. So all the sheep here get enrichment as a form of mental stimulation. It helps keep them active and kind of not bored. So all the sheep we have here are used for models of heart disease. They all go through surgery to implant a pacemaker. They're really important to use for research because their heart's so similar to ours. All the sheep that come in, we take a picture of them all and then we name them. So this one here is Nebula. And Lucy's over here. So we name them all because it makes it much easier to identify them and it helps you build that relationship with the animals. So in this room we have rhabdomys, which are African striped mice. They're absolutely incredible animals. They're used a lot for eye studies because these can actually be used as a replacement for primates, but they're also used a lot for behavioural studies as well. Currently we're the only place in the UK to keep rhabdomys. They're typically found in Africa, and there's a couple of centres in America and Germany that both keep them. This cage here has some baby rhabdomys in. So these ones here are 20 days old at the minute. They come in here twice a day. They all get health checks first thing. These guys get a mix of flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, occasional treat of sunflower seeds. All the rhabdomys in here get 3 different types of bedding. They get this Timothy hay, they get some popcorn hay, they get some extra soft bedding, and then they also get one of these giant sticks. Some of them get a little ball as well. And then they also get these little tunnels that they'll hide in. But sometimes you'll find rhabdomys with smaller tails because a natural defence mechanism of rhabdomys is to drop part of the tail. So you'll find that some of these younger ones here are full tails, whereas some of the adults will have a bit smaller. Most animal research is about discovering how basic biology works. That helps form the basis of treatments that we find in clinics and veterinary surgeries. In order for anyone to work with animals, there needs to be 3 licences in place: the establishment licence, the project licence and the personal licence. In the UK, it's illegal to use animals if there's an alternative way to do the research. Scientists must use the lowest number of animals possible.